What's up guys, it's NoyTebs here. So again, today we're going to do an unbox or monitor light. And again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I have a new video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started. So there guys, again I have here another unboxing, and again if you are new to my channel, I have lots of videos here, and so today we're going to unbox this a monitor light, and this is a promotion from July 11 and 12. So I just got this one, so I'm gonna go unbox this one. Okay, so but again, let's check it out. What's in the box? Oop, I have sharp knife here. I hope that this can help me on my editing. Oh, see? What's in the box, guys? Look at that. A plastic bubble wrap. And only small one is there, okay? So what's in Melifo with a screen hanging light L1 Plus with a remote control. Wow. I'm so excited with this. So again, the information here, the product name is a Melifo screen hanging light L1 Plus remote control. The model is GJS-DO13 Plus. Material is aluminum alloy plus EBS. And the input voltage is 5 volts. Related power is 3.5 watts. The color temperature is 2900K to 6000K. The color range earring index of RA80. The product size is 480 by 90.5 by 35 millimeter. The product weight is 400 grams. Executive standard of GB 700.1 2015 and GB 7000.04 2008. Okay, so but again, it's a really nice one. Looks like really nice. I just saw this one in Amazon, and I think this is about $45. So again, this is not a sponsored vlog. So what's in here? I'm so excited to open this one here and to use it. There you go. Wow. So again, we're just doing unbox here. Hopefully I can do some follow-up video about this, and we'll see how it works. So what's in the box? It's USB-C. There you go. For your power. And then here's the remote. Very cute, really small one. Wow, this is the remote where you're going to dial. You're gonna dial. So that's the remote. Oops, what's that? Okay, so that's the case, or that's the cover for the back. And here's a battery. And the battery for this is it's a very common battery. You can buy it in anywhere. The CR24050. It's a 3 volts battery, so we can use that one. And this is the exciting part. Basically, I am so excited with this because so far it's gonna be cool, kind of LED light. So all you have to do is to hang this one in your monitor. And then they have a clip at the back. So yeah, it's like a magnetic kind of. Oh, it's a soft kind. It's a soft materials that you can. It won't scratch on your monitor. So okay, I gotcha. So you can put this one in, hang in, and then the USB-C is here at the back. So there you go. So the power supply is kind of a hidden no one can see it because it's at the back. Look at that. Nice. And also the power is over here on the front, and they have a whatever is that, the brightness. If you can use this for brightness, or you can use the remote to do the brightness of this LED light on your monitor. It's kind of a nice one. I'm so excited to use this one, guys. Yeah. So most people are saying that it's gonna be the bright is just on the keyboard. It's not on the eyes. So I'm so excited to use this one. Yeah. So, but again, my impression for this one here, it's kind of a good kind of materials, and you can just remove this one first. So you can try to down or up, whatever you want to. If you want to bring it down, so that you know your eyes is kind of hidden on this kind of part here. So, but so far so good. My impression for this one is really good, and I hope, guys, if you want to, I will try to create a video for this, just for a short video probably, and then what is the brightness during the night, that every all lights in my office is gonna be dark, and we just try this one, how is the brightness for this if you're going to do some editing, for editing purposes. So that's one thing I bought this one, so that I have a light for my office for editing if I want to make editing or just play on my computer. So again, I think the price is right for this. 40. Actually, this is $60, I think. And then I just got sale because it was a July 7-Eleven. So I got $45 for this one. But it's really good one. I really like it. It's a little bit heavy, so, but I think it's gonna be sturdy if you're going to put this one in your on the top of your monitor. So again, that's what I've said. The price is right. So hopefully, if you want this one, I can recommend this to you guys. Although I never tried yet to turn it on, but as what I've seen, it's a really amazing product, and it's really good materials. Really, it's not the cheap materials that you know what I mean, guys. Some of the lights are plastic, but this one here, it's plastic, but it's solid plastic that that they put it in on this light. So again, if you have any comment, just comment below. And if you want to watch my other unboxing video on this channel, you can browse it. I have lots of videos that you can watch. And if you have any comments, suggestion, whatever, just comment below. And that's about it. So again, if you're not yet subscribing my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell so to be notified every time I have a new video uploaded on my channel. Thank you so much, guys. It's NoyTebs here. God bless and a beautiful day.